What's up, EJ Jordan? What's up, dude? What's up, Bearded? You missed the stream last night, dude. I think you've caught every stream, bro. You were missed, my friend. What's up, Andy? What's up, Mikey? Watched it in the morning while running. Well, it was a pretty boring stream, I think, because we were trade hunting a trade. Did you take the trade? Oh, in the morning. Yeah, no, you didn't take the trade. Yo, what up, Barb? What up, Jetikoka? Jetikoka? Jetikauka. Y'all think we're gonna get this J-Pow, or you think it's wishful thinking? What y'all think? Oh, I didn't even start the timer. I'm sitting here shooting the shit with you guys. Didn't even start the damn timer. We'll do 4 minutes. $59K inbound. It's possible. Bitcoin's at $64,000. Ain't that crazy? $48.9 is the target. Guys, what are we talking about 48.9 for, guys? We're at $64,000. 28K. What are we talking about 28K for? We're at $64,000. 59K, I understand. $48.9 is oh, he's probably talking about a fib target. We talked about that a little bit yesterday. Man, I gotta figure out something to do with these Tuesday and Wednesday streams when everybody's watching Alex. We gotta move him earlier or something. But it's okay. I kind of like these small, more intimate streams. It's just the crew. Let's start with the 1 hour week low. I agree. Doesn't Alex stream on Tuesdays? Oh, it's fucking Monday. Wait, is it fucking Monday? It's fucking Monday. You're right. Alex doesn't stream today. Dude, I thought it was fucking Tuesday. Wave Cipher's out of touch. It's fucking Monday. Oh, he doesn't do Asia at all anymore? Well, never mind then. I have no clue what day it is ever. What's up, Kierta? What's up, V Monitor? How you doing, buddy? Let's ride the waves. That's right. We got some potential here. Throw a wave in the chat if you're feeling wavy. How's the volume? How's the music volume? Too loud? Good. Let me know how the music's doing. Music's good. The clock has to go. The clock is gone. All right, so let's talk about it. So we get our 5-minute break of structure yesterday for the trade that we were talking about on the live. Get a nice little move up. Not quite to where I was looking for. But I wake up this morning. The price is here. I say take profit, move stop to entry. Right? So take profit on the trade, stop to entry. What happens after that? Well, we get our 5-minute external structure break here. Retest the break. And down we go. I was looking at, we had some nice 15-minute structure down here. Open Firefox every time you, dude, not now, dude. Get out of here. I'm live. Also, you could just do one of these little trendy windy lines. You notice we lost the trend line, rejected off of it. Boom, there we go. We had some nice potential here, so I had signaled an original long with a break of structure here. However, Asia had a different idea. Daily opens, we dumped down. I still don't hate this if we can come up and put in a JPOW here. So that trade would look something like this. Kind of a big stop loss, so we'd have to come up higher for it to be worth it. But if we just come sweep this high, it's like a 2-to-1. I would probably look for some sort of pullback on this to get in, but that's if we even break. Right now, it looks like we're just dumping down. What does our 4-hour look like? Throw a 1 in the chat if you're ready to take this low. I'm ready to take this low. Now, why are we targeting that low? So, Barb said it in the chat, right? But we've been targeting that low ever since this 1-hour break of structure. Right? Or not 1-hour break of structure, I'm sorry. 1-hour SFP. See, 1-hour SFP, the previous 1-hour high, that target. So this is the 4-hour and the 1-hour week low. Also, all we really did is run up to the 4-hour golden pocket so we can redraw this thing here. All we really did was come for the golden pocket. I think we're drawing it from here. All we do is come with the golden pocket. Now, $47 short scalp ready to switch to long scalp. What's up, Mr. Pixel? How's it going, brother? What's up, 666? KPZ, how you doing? Yeah, man, that's the problem with doing these streams every day, is that a lot of times nothing has really changed. Like, nothing has really changed on this chart except for we are continuing to grind lower. Like yesterday on the stream we were here. Today on the stream we're here. We're in the same exact spot. We had a nice pink box tap, pump out of the pink box. The problem now is we are under bearish structure. Now, I do like that we're kind of ranging out here, forming a possible 15-minute JPOW. What does Market Cipher look like? Oof, rolling over on the daily time frame, 12-hour. Yuck, gross. 4-hour. Oh man, We got both of these RSIs on the 4-hour going back under the 20 line. That's not very bueno. It's not very bueno. One hour. 1 hour looks dumpy as hell. $30-minute. Yeah. Doesn't look very good. What does Cipher Matrix look like on the 4-hour? We are in the 4-hour reversal band, but we're high up in premium of the range. Get rid of some of these drawings. Yeah, if we can put in a JPOW here, I don't hate this. We got two 4-hour candles wicking into the reversal zone and closing back above, but we start dropping. I mean, we quickly can be down here at like 53,000. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like a very sloppy Chinese ching chong. One, 2, 3, 4. Roll over. You know, this reminds me of last cycle. It reminds me of the range at like 30K. Reminds me of this. We had like a what's the date of this? Saturday the 14th of May 2022. Saturday the 14th. Yeah. Because we kind of had like the same thing. We had like 1, 2, 3, 4. But this chong took a little while to play out. Like we had one more pump afterwards. This kind of looks like the same. God, it kind of looks the same, doesn't it? This would be like the golden pocket tap here. Pump up, just dump. Who knows? This is just dubious speculation, but yeah, it kind of looks the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe get a pump, fake out, dump further to the downside. Boom, 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 boom. We have multiple death crosses. Yeah. Death crosses on what? We already had the death cross way up here. We are underneath the weekly 200, which is why, like, I don't hate longs here, even though the 4-hour is bearish. Oh. Yeah, I'm just waiting for a 15-minute structure break at this point. We are in the discount of the range. We're at the golden pocket. Man, look at all the volume in that candle. Do you guys see all that volume? That's what Tino would call a stopping volume candle sweep of the previous sweep of New York. It's quite a big volume candle. Recovers half the vector candle, and down we go. Down we go. Sweep of yesterday's low. Yeah. I don't hate something like this. Come up, break, golden pocket, go. This is like Barb's stream setup. He loves the J-Pow into the golden pocket retest to go. Got stop at break even on my Bitcoin 1 hour SFP short. Dude, you're still holding. You're damn, bro. You're still holding that from up here. Fucking fire, bro. I can't wait to see the profit log down here, bro. Gangster. Volume in that candle suggests buyers. Yeah, generally it would. It's like a bunch of liquidity was swept with this wick down. People didn't think. This is all the people who were trying to long before the 15-minute structure break, but nope. Comes back up to supply, rejects down. There we go. Oh, you got stopped on Bitcoin at break even. Oh, I got you. Got stopped. Gotcha. Okay. Bearded, are you still in that 59K short? No, you took full profit on that? Wait, I didn't mean 59K. I meant 98K. That's what I meant. 59K short would be terrible. Hopefully nobody's short for 59K. Yeah. That's what I meant, bro. 98K. I don't really have that much to say, guys. We kind of set it all in this range. I mean, we can draw flags. We're in a descending channel. You added to it again? Well, I hope we die then for you, brother. Is this active 30-minute structure? Ooh, it is. It is active 30-minute. Ooh, interesting. So not only would this be a 15-minute J-Pow, even this would have been 30-minute. This is 30-minute J-Pow. Okay. I just don't like how big the stop is with that wick. Like if we went long here, that's a 2.5% stop loss. I mean, if we come back to the 4-hour high. Yeah, just to get a 3-to-1 out of this, you gotta come all the way back to 70K. But I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I would like to see a golden pocket retest afterwards. Holy volume. How can you tell I'm yawning, Andrew? How do you know? You see me right now, dude? You hacked my computer? Can we short Pippin yet? Ooh, is that a 45-minute JPOW? Oh, I see what you're saying, because you get a 45-minute break here at the lows. Yeah, 45 minutes active too. Your mic quality is crisp. We can hear everything. Yeah, I got the best mic in crypto. You know what it is? It's a simple fucking gaming headset, dude. Everyone's got their boom mics, and they really just need a gaming headset they talk to your boys with. "45-minute JPOW." Any scalps? Nope. Just this 45-minute JPOW. What do you think of this JPOW, Barb? Think we should take it? What do you think? If it breaks, yeah. I mean, it's 45-minute structure. I think I agree with you, Barb. Can you explain the JPOW? Sure, we can explain the JPOW. Let's find a JPOW. Oh, man. Here's a JPOW for you. The top on Solana. So a JPOW is when you SFP your current structural high or low, right? Creating a new low or high, which moves your active structure up from wherever it was. Let's say it was right here to right here, right? Because you take the high, so you move your low. Then you come and break that opposing low, and it either looks like this, it 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 looks like this. And we like them in both directions. Why? Because just like JPOW himself, it starts or ends runs. So if you look at the top on the weekly on Bitcoin, the weekly on Bitcoin had a JPOW, right? So we had SFP of the high, break of the opposing structure, JPOW retest of 107. Barb shorted this. Barb shorted this weekly retest of 107. He's a gangster. And then we dump. Pretty self-explanatory. I need to make a JPOW video. Soul daily. Can you take a look at Soul? I sure can. Let's take a look at Soul. All right. So let's start with the daily. Ew. 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 Yeah. Daily high. The daily high on Sol is still way up here. Ooh, that's nasty. They SFP'd you. Oh yeah, we talked about this. The daily SFP on Sol up here, 140. So you SFP that. Let's look at 4 hour. Man, look at how perfect Sol came back to that golden pocket. Look at that tap. Oh, it just front ran it. Yeah, we can talk about Sol, but I mean, Sol looks bad right now, bro. Like, let's look at the 15 minute. So the problem for me on Sol is that right now, for the 15 minute to break bullish, you got to come all the way up to $81. So yes, you SFP the lows of the range. At this point, we need to make a JPOW signal indicator. Yeah. I need to type up. I need to signal this trade. I'm going to signal this. It's a 45-minute JPOW at the golden pocket. You got to take a shot on this one. Hold on. Yeah. Alright, just had to signal that in the Discord. Somebody asked, can we short Pippin now? Wait, did I put an image of the 15 minute when I wanted the 45 minute? I did. Hold on. I should have copy pasted that and I have to type it out again. Previous trade idea invalidated. We took the low. However, I do like this possible 45-minute JPOW at golden pocket now. Validated if we take the low first. Oh, I didn't do Otter Fam again. What am I doing? I can tell I'm tired. There we go. Forward this to my Discord. Alright. Cool beans. Alright, yeah, well, I don't really have this much to talk about. Let me go to Pippin here. Didn't I? I already gave the short on Pippin a while ago. Yeah, the short already played out, Dougie. It front ran our level though. You mean is it time to short Pippin again? Um, uh, 15-minute low. Golden pocket. All the way down to the 886, chilling, never takes the highs. You want to short Pippin, you want to see this break. You got a liquidity curve in here. Yeah, here's what you want to see break on Pippin. There you go, brother. Otherwise, don't short it yet. Come on, BD. So, kind of what I was saying before, the reason that we like this trade setup is because it is in the 2-hour order block as well as the golden pocket from the 4-hour move up. However, that is like, it's not a structure break golden pocket, it's just an impulse golden pocket, but still do like it. And kind of like what I was saying about like the fractal of last cycle, we kind of had this 1, 2, 3, 4 impulse wave fake out, 1, 2, and then dump. Oh, God. 1, 2, 3, 4, fake out, 1, 2, then dump, which I could totally see playing out again. So it's just a little dubious speculation there. Also, it's 45-minute structure. Like, it ain't nothing to fuck with. You know what I'm saying? Like, 45-minute structure plays. Let's push up. Yeah. Yeah, dog. Farcoin went to 8 cents. Hold on. Farcoin came all the way back to 10 cents, dude. That's crazy. Who the fuck is still trading Farcoin? You better be shorting this bitch. It didn't even take it on Bybit. It still hasn't taken it. It didn't come to 8 cents. It took it on MEXC, but it didn't take it on Bybit. Dude, I remember when these spider lines used to work on fucking Fartcoin. Fucking Fartcoin. JPal while we sleep. Yeah, it's gonna happen, dude. But that's okay. We can get in on a golden pocket retest. I mean, it's 45-minute structure. If it breaks while we sleep, then maybe in the morning before New York, we'll come back to the golden pocket. That'd be nice. We can go over the market pulse levels again. So we're kind of at the first level, which is this 2-hour order block. If this 2-hour order block fails, we're coming for the low. Let's extend this out. We're coming for the 4-hour week low. Still got a 4-hour week high above us. We've still got some areas that we're looking for above us. We've got a 1-hour bearish SFP of 72,192. We've got the range around 73K. And then we've got a 4-hour SFP of 76,000. But again, that's for the whole week. It's not really relevant today yet. Just locally, I would say watch for this 45-minute JPal, which really just means a 45-minute close above 65K basically, which would break out of this descending channel. Should be pretty nice. Alright, yeah, well, we've been live about 40 minutes. I don't really have that much more to say. I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate y'all being here on a Monday. Hopefully we'll get some better price action come tomorrow morning. That'd be nice. Oh yeah, I didn't do... We still have our BitUnix promotion going on. Make sure you check that out if you haven't, if you want some free money to trade with. But I'm not going to take up too much of you guys' time. Use this BitUnix link if you want some free money to trade with. They'll give you a deposit bonus. If you already have a BitUnix account, you can just create a new email, open up a new one. You'll get some free money to trade with. Who doesn't want free money to trade with in the bear market? You get 30% discounted fees. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. If you haven't checked that out, definitely check that out. Also, join the free learning Discord in the top of the description, dude. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. We post signals in there all day, talk about market structure, all that jazz. Make sure you like the stream. And make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. We're trying to make it to 1,200 subscribers. Maybe we'll do something cool. But as always, guys, my name is Wave Cipher. Much love. Trade safe. Wave Cipher out. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.